everybody, and welcome back. Today I've created some really beautiful spring and Easter DIYs for you. These are really simple and easy to recreate. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with these canvas bunny baskets from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to be removing the felt bunnies and saving the baskets for a later DIY. Now, I like the bunny tails on these, so I'm just going to paint them with some regular old craft paint, and I'm using the color gray. Now I'm going to go in with a darker color gray paint to try to get rid of some of that blue that I'm still seeing. Next, I'm going to coat the surface of the bunny with Mod Podge. Right here I'm going in with silver glitter, and I'm going to cover the entire surface of my bunny. Now, I don't show this in this video, but if you want your glitter to stay in place, do cover it with another coat of Mod Podge once it's dried. I'll be going in with this Dollar Tree pillow cover. So right here you just see me trying to figure out where I want to place my bunnies before I glue them down with hot glue. Next, I'll be going in with these pearl and bling stickers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. For our next DIY, you'll need this wooden butterfly from the Dollar Tree, as well as this cube, also from Dollar Tree. You'll also need a paintbrush, and we're just going to be using the handle. First, I'll be going in with white craft paint, and I'm just going to paint the inside of our butterfly. I'll be using gray paint to paint the outside of the butterfly. While the first half of our project dries, I'm going to go ahead and take these two pieces out to the garage to spray paint. I'll be going in with my Posh, and I'm just going to begin with the top portion of the wings. Next, I'll be mixing in this iridescent glitter to create a ombre effect. Right here you see me just brushing on some My Posh to the lower portion of my butterfly, and then I'm going to be applying iridescent glitter. Now that I have my butterfly all glammed up, I'm going to begin to work on the lower portion of this project, and I'm just going to be going in with these stickers from Dollar Tree. Now it's just time to assemble everything. So that's it, everybody. That's all that I have for today. Hopefully you found some inspiration in this video and you enjoyed watching. I really did enjoy making it for you. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a thumbs up and sharing with your friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.